Hi again, this is Randy the Wild Horse, and I tell you, it sure is very slippery out. I was going to go another way home, and I got stuck, and I had to back up. And if I would have had rear-wheel drive, I'll tell you, I would have never made it. Oops, there comes a vehicle right there ready for the stop sign. Okay, well, I hope I can make it home today, folks. Won't be easy. Oh, well, there goes a patrolman. Okay, now we go. Now, come on. All right. I'm trying to roll down my window here, folks. I'm having trouble. Look at this. Oh, it is snow, folks. Seen anything like it, huh? Yeah, there's some people walking by too. I just flashed. Well, somebody's stuck over there, unfortunately. Sorry, can't help you. I get stuck myself. Yep, there's plow people making money. Yeah, look at this, folks. I'm just glad I got front wheel drive today, like I said, because if I had rear wheel, I'd never make it. No siree. Yep. As I'm driving home, there's people walking by, there's other vehicles. There's trouble. And, that's a little fun in advertisement. There's a church for late Uncle Guy. That's for sale for those of you who want to buy a church and use it as a home or whatever you want to use it for. That's your business, you know. Anyway, okay, well, I'm not going to figure miles and kilometers right now. Now, if I had a nice, pretty girlfriend with me, I could hold her tight, but goodness gracious. Alright. I'm more stuck, so folks, I'm gonna have to get going because it's getting a little more slippery than I like it. So this is Randy the Wild Horse, and have a great day.